Hey Pisces, how's it going, my loves? This is Monica here from Intuitive Soul 78. Thank you so much for joining the channel, you guys. I wanted to send a big, huge shout out and a thanks to everybody who's been supporting the channel, who's been liking, sharing, sending donations, decks of cards. I really, really appreciate it. It's brand new and I'm loving being here, you guys. So let's get into it. Alright, I'm going to show you guys a side-by-side of both of you guys. So this is for you, Pisces. The first card that you got, your lesson currently, is fear. It says, I realize that I am testing my resolve to live in the energy of love. So it's about getting over your fears. That's your current lesson. And for your person got failure. I understand that a mistake is only an opportunity to learn. For your person, whoever it is that you're dealing with, my loves. Let me move this over just a little bit for you guys. There we go. And how you're feeling about the relationship currently. What you're thinking or feeling about yourself, your person, or the relationship. Alrighty. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we got... Dang. We got two cards come out for you guys. We got the card Mask and we got the card Boat. The card Mask, it says... what does it say here? Not showing true feelings, hide, personify, pretend, delude, gaslighting. And Boat, receiving what you need, progression, arriving, moving on, closure issues. So this is for my Pisces. Some of you guys feel like your person is moving on without you, or that they're not really telling you what's going on behind the scenes with them. So let's see what your person is feeling or thinking. Oh, here we go. They got self-indulgence, focusing on self, self-worth, time to heal, shadow work, and self-appreciation. So that's just each other's perception of the relationship or of each other, okay? Let's see what Spirit says for you guys. You got new love. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. And for your person, the person that Pisces is dealing with, please, Spirit, from May to June. Alright, they got finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. It's for your person. And what you guys can each do to heal the relationship. Or heal yourselves to make it better. For Pisces, please, Spirit. For Pisces, you got get to know each other. Learn to meet another's need for love. And for your person... For the person Pisces is dealing with, what can help heal the relationship, please, Spirit, right now? Or help it? Be authentic. Be real and true to who you are and how you feel. So, Pisces, maybe your person isn't or hasn't shown you what you need to see. Maybe it's a brand new relationship for some of you guys. For others of you, I feel like your person is really... maybe a private person. Maybe they have trust issues, ego issues, something about them not wanting to divulge, everything about themselves. Maybe they lack self-confidence or something. They have self-esteem issues. Let's see some issues that might be arising. For Pisces, please, Spirit, from May to June. Elizabeth and the Lion. Some of you might be dealing with a Leo. It is time to become a great leader. So this card talks about taking control of the situation. Taking control of your own life to take control of the situation. And for your person, please. Let's see here. Your person got little owl and wisdom as light as a feather. So I feel like your person's going to be getting some kind of wisdom during this time. Figuring something out. Alright, that's their card. Let me put this down just a bit. Sorry about that. So sorry. Much better. So there are your guys' cards. So you fear that your person is not telling you the truth about something. That's what I'm getting here. For some of you guys, it's a brand new relationship. Others of you guys have been together for quite a while now, quite some time. Let me see here. Yeah, some of you guys are in a brand new relationship, getting to know a person. Just give them time and give them space. Keep being authentic. I feel like your person has self-esteem issues, or maybe they're nervous about their finances right now or something. That's what they're focusing on. There's some kind of honesty, though, on your person's side that needs to be spoken. This is you, Pisces. This is your person right here. Okay? Let's find out who you're dealing with here and what they're feeling. I'm going to go through the zodiac, okay? Hopefully I don't miss Leo like I did with the Aquarius reading. Alright, my loves. So, let me shuffle these up real good. Spirit 4. Those dealing with an Aries. Aries is definitely holding something back, keeping something to themselves. Those dealing with a Taurus. It looks like they've taken their offer back for some reason, or they don't want to continue in the relationship, Pisces. Gemini. Gemini doesn't want to move forward, or they don't see how you guys can move forward right now. They're feeling stuck. Those of you guys that are dealing with a Cancer, Cancer's feeling like there's a separation, like there's not, yeah, like you guys are going to be separated. For some of you guys who have been together for a long time, long-term relationship, this looks like it could be a divorce, you guys, or it could end in that way. Give me 1 second. Okay, so that's for anybody dealing with the Cancer. For anybody dealing with a Leo, Leo feels stuck in their head right now. They're feeling stuck. For some of you guys, your Leo could be in jail, but they're feeling like there's not a way out of this right now. For those of you guys dealing with the Virgo, oh shit, something's about to freaking blow up with Virgo, or they're about to blow up. Somebody might be moving out of the house, but they feel like the relationship is ending. For those of you guys dealing with the Libra is feeling real good about themselves right now. They're feeling good and positive about the relationship. Sagittarius, those of you guys dealing with the Sagittarius is having a lot of love communication towards you. They want to tell you so many things, how they feel about you. Things are going good. You're going to be visiting each other really soon. Oh shit, you guys, those of you guys dealing with a Scorpio is feeling like it's over. They're feeling unfulfilled in the relationship, and they're not very happy right now. Those of you guys dealing with a Capricorn's feeling like they got everything that it takes to make this relationship a success. Those of you guys dealing with an Aquarius feels like you are not their soulmate, and you guys are not going to work out. Those of you guys dealing with another Pisces is 7 of Cups in reverse. Pisces was confused in the past. I was going to say, but you guys are Pisces. Those of you guys dealing with another Pisces, so you yourself might have been feeling confused in the past, but you're feeling better now, and you're ready to make a final decision about the relationship. Let me count, make sure we got the whole zodiac, and then I'm going to do you guys' month of May to June. Well, for the next 30 days, okay, my loves? All right. We got all 12. So let's go ahead and pull what is going to happen for Pisces from mid-May to mid-June. All right, my loves. I'll make this quick for you guys. We're already 8 minutes in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the videos, please, you guys. I appreciate all the support you guys have given. All right, real quick here. For the month of May, what do we got? For Pisces in the relationships, please. For Pisces, please, Spirit. Oh, nice. So some of you guys are dealing with an Aquarius. Beautiful, beautiful card. You guys got the star. This is about healing, hopes, dreams coming true. Some of you guys are communicating online with other people, or with your person, which is, yeah, 2 of Pentacles. You might be juggling somebody online and somebody at home for some of you guys. All right. Let's see for my Pisces. Let me see here. What else do we got? The Page of Pentacles. A lot of Pentacles. So Page of Pentacles, this could be a new offer coming towards you. You may be having communication with somebody regarding business or work, for sure. Some kind of new offer. You guys might be getting some money coming in. Some of you guys are dealing with a Leo who, it looks like they're not happy right now. The card's in the reverse. Something's unclear right now. I'm not sure what that is, but there is something that's unclear right now with this Leo. They're not sure about something, or you're not sure about them. Let's see here. What else do we got? For Pisces, please. Alright, so those are the cards that we got you guys for May to June. Let me see here. Let me move them up a little bit so that you guys can actually see them. Alright. So, you guys, for those of you that this reading doesn't resonate with, go ahead and check your Sun, Moon, Rising, Jupiter, Mars, and your Venus. Mars is for men, and then the Venus for the women, okay? The Star, the Two of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, and the Sun. I feel like you guys are going to be getting clarity with whatever it is you're wondering about. With the Star coming out here, you're definitely talking to somebody online here. It looks like you're juggling for sure with somebody else. And I think that you guys are just going to go for the better offer. That's what's hidden right here. That's what's not known. Okay? You got to do what you got to do, Pisces. Let me see here. Let me see this at the bottom of the deck for you guys, okay? Shit, I knew it. Some of you guys are talking to somebody else. That's why we got the reputation for being, having secrets and being liars, you guys, Pisces. I'm Pisces Moon. We got the Three of Pentacles in the reverse. Shit. Damn. Well, you know, I can't lie. I talk to a lot of people online. That's because I got groups. I'm fucking around, you guys. So we got the Three of Pentacles here. 2, 3, the Page. Yeah, definitely. And then with the Six of Pentacles in reverse, somebody's not sharing. Somebody's not sharing. Somebody's not giving what they're getting, you guys. Okay? That's what I'm getting here. Let me go ahead and clarify for you guys really quickly. Let's see what the Star is right here. Some of you guys are just dealing with an Aquarius and a Leo. And then Pisces. Let me see here. Yeah, there's some kind of injustice. Or some of you guys are dealing with a Libra too. I'm just kidding. There's Libra here. There's some kind of injustice here, you guys, that needs to be figured out. Okay? We got Temperance, which is Sagittarius. Is also here. That's actually Archangel Michael right there coming in to bring in balance into this situation, whatever it is. Alright? And we have Knight of Wands. This is our player card, you guys. We got the Knight of Wands here. So somebody's in a rush. Somebody is coming in and out, kind of iffy, wishy-washy, not sure what they want to do, but they'll be figuring it out. And here you guys got the Star again. You guys are definitely dealing with an Aquarius, or you guys just have these energies in your chart. There's a lot of major arcana right here, which tells me that whatever's going on in your life right now, that it's something that's going to be big. There's going to be big time changes for you guys, and that the universe is actually guiding you towards your person, whoever that may be, whether it's this person online or those energies that are coming out here. But the universe is definitely guiding you to where you guys need to be. You're going to find out some kind of truth. Something's going to come out, and it's going to be a success for you. Whatever it is. Looks good, Pisces. Alright, my loves. I love you guys. This is the reading that I got for you guys. Let me leave you with one final angel card, okay? And then we'll wrap it up. For my Pisces. Be good, Pisces. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Let me see here. Ooh, here we go. Very nice. You guys got God is your source. It says, everything you need is supplied by the infinite source of God, and your faith opens the doorway to receive. In God, there's no lack or limitation. Rather, there's plenty of abundance for all to share. I'm telling you, all those major arcanas, that's God right there, moving his hands around in your life, shaking things up, putting you on the right direction, on the right path, wherever it is that you guys belong. All right, Pisces, I love you guys. God bless you guys. Be blessed and bless others. Take care of each other, Pisces. Bye.